Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a blurring effect on your pictures on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below and select a picture that you want to edit. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find the lens blur button. And here you can choose from a bunch of blur black backgrounds that you can apply to your photo, and you can adjust them by the help of this slide in the middle of the screen. So just simply tap on the relevant one, and if you want to erase parts of your original picture, tap on the eraser button. And if you have chosen a background, just simply brush over the particular area that you want to get rid of from your original picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.